What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show the differences between the original Apple AirPods Pro and some fake Apple AirPods Pro. Now I've done a similar video about 3 or 4 months ago, but the fake ones that I've had in that video weren't that great, and there are a lot of things that you can see and you can tell that they are fake. But the ones that I have today look so close to the original ones that it's almost impossible to tell that they are fake. So these ones are called the AirPods Pro 2.0 and you can find this for about $50, and usually you can find the fake ones for between $30 to $70 depending when and where you buy them, of course. And what happens, a lot of people buy the fake ones and then they resell them as original ones. So the original Apple AirPods Pro are about $250, and you definitely don't want to spend like $250 on a pair of AirPods and then find out that you actually have some fake ones. So with this video I'm hoping that I'm gonna make it easier for you to spot the fake ones so you don't end up buying the fake ones believing that you're buying the original ones. Alright, so we're gonna start by checking out the boxes and how they are wrapped. So they're both wrapped in plastic when you get them. Now the main difference here is that the original Apple AirPods Pro have a little plastic tab that you can pull so you can open the box easier, basically pull that wrap from the box. So definitely check for that and look for that, because most fake ones, even though they come wrapped in plastic, the plastic looks kind of cheap and you don't usually have that pull out tab so you can easily take off the plastic wrap. After you remove that plastic wrap, well, the boxes do look fairly similar, even though the blacks are a bit deeper on the original ones in certain places. But looking at those stickers, well, even the stickers you can't exactly tell if you're looking at the original ones or the fake ones, because the stickers may be different depending on the country that you actually buy the AirPods from. So some AirPods that you're gonna buy in China may actually be different than the box from some AirPods that you're gonna buy in the US. So the stickers here, even though they're a bit different, you're not gonna be able to tell which ones are the fake ones and which ones are the real ones just by looking at those stickers. So the boxes themselves do look fairly similar, and it would be kind of tough telling which ones are the original ones and which ones are the fake ones just by looking at the boxes if you don't have both boxes with you. The first thing you're gonna find in the box is the user manual, and at the first glance they do look very similar, but looking closer at the first page you're gonna notice some differences. So on the original one it says Apple AirPods Pro, where on the fake ones it says iOS. So this is something that you should look for. So look on the first page of the user manual. In the box you're also gonna find the cable and the replacement ear cups, but these ones look fairly similar, so kind of difficult to tell if you're looking at the fake ones or the real ones. So the cable and the replacement ear cups are kind of similar, but yeah, you'll find the same thing in both boxes for the fake ones and the original ones. Next we are moving on to the charging cases, and at the first glance the charging cases do look very similar on the front, the back and the bottom. So at the bottom we have the same lightning port, and on the back we have the same color hinge and the same text. Well, somewhat the same text, because on some of them says made in China, on the fake ones it says made in China, where on the original ones it says made in Vietnam. But this could be different depending on the country that you actually buy this from. And the main difference that I've noticed for the charging cases, it's the LED on the front there. So if you look close enough on the original ones, you're going to notice that the LED is at the same level as the plastic, where on the fake ones, the LED is actually lower. So where the hole for the LED is, on the fake ones, it looks a bit darker than it looks on the original ones. So this is something that you should look for. Both cases also support wireless charging, so you can charge either of them by just placing them on a charging mat. So that LED is the only thing that I've noticed different on the charging cases. Opening the charging case, well, once again, they do look very similar, but if you look at the top there, you're gonna notice that the text is a bit different. So where you see the serial number on the fake ones and where you see it on the original ones. Now keep in mind that the serial number on the fake ones actually matches the serial number on the box. I wasn't expecting that, but yes, they do match. But look at the text there and how it is on the original ones and how it looks on the fake ones. So that could be something that you could look for. Next, we are checking out the AirPods themselves, and I have to say that the fake ones look very close to the original ones. It's almost impossible to tell which ones are the fake ones and which ones are the original ones. And the only difference that I've noticed is for that text where we get the serial number. Keep in mind that the serial number on the fake ones also matches the box, so something that I wasn't expecting. So the serial number on the fake one seems to be a bit darker, so the text is a bit darker than the text that we get on the original ones. On the original ones, the text almost looks like grayish in color, where on the fake ones it's darker, so a bit closer to black. But that is really the only difference that I was able to notice between the fake ones and the original ones. As soon as you open the case, you're also going to get a pop-up message on your iPhone, and take a closer look at that pop-up message because it is a bit different from the fake ones to the original ones. So look and see how it looks for the original ones and how it looks from the fake ones. If you're getting the message on your phone from the fake ones, you're probably looking at some fake Apple AirPods Pro. But yes, you do get that same pop-up message when you first open the case and pair those earbuds with your phone. Once connected to your phone, once again, it is difficult to tell if you have the fake ones or the original ones because you get the same options. You get the noise cancelling options or the transparency option. You can select in between them from the phone or from the AirPods themselves. Now keep in mind that to the fake ones, even though it shows like they have noise cancelling, nothing actually happens when you turn on the noise cancelling. If you're using the original ones and you have them in your ears and you turn on the noise cancelling, you're definitely gonna notice the difference. If you have the fake ones in your ears and you turn on the noise cancelling, nothing happens. So if you get that far in a transaction, that could be something that you could tell that you're looking at some fake ones and or some original ones. So these fake ones, these particular fake ones don't actually have noise cancelling. Other than that, the fake ones work just like the original ones. So every time you take one out of your ear, the music will stop. You can skip to the next song, you can go to the previous song, and you can also access Siri. So that works the same, and the only difference is the fact that the fake ones don't support the noise cancelling. Everything else about functionality is pretty much the same with the fake ones and the original ones. As for the sound quality, well, of course, the original ones do sound a bit better, they get a bit louder, they have a bit more bass, but the fake ones aren't that bad. They actually sound a bit better than the original Apple AirPods. So if you're knowingly buying these fake ones for 50 bucks, they don't actually sound bad for 50 bucks, I would say. I mean, there are a couple of other earbuds that you can buy that sound a bit better for $50, but they don't look like these ones. So if you're buying these for yourself and you're just wearing them, nobody's ever gonna know that you actually have some fake ones. So there you have it. These are the main differences between the fake ones. And as I said, these ones are the best fake ones that I've seen so far. And I'm sure that in the near future, we're actually going to see fake ones that have real noise cancelling as well. So hopefully I made it a bit easier to spot the fake ones, but realistically, if you're buying some Apple AirPods, just buy them from some authorized Apple reseller or directly from the Apple store, because this way you know that you're gonna buy the real ones and you're not gonna end up having some fake ones that you actually paid $250 for. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.